Hello, what's up you guys? Today I'm gonna be making, as you see today I am wearing a snapback on my head. So this is what I have so far. It's like a button in it, and then this is just green and pink going all the way down. So yesterday I did my first few sketches and paintings on my journal, so I'm gonna go ahead and showcase that to you guys right now. This is the first page you open to. It's kind of like entering a portal of my mind into the sketchbook, and that's kind of what I wanted to showcase on the first page. Like, oh, welcome in, and it was just like two little guys hanging out. I wanted to do a tree right here, but I kind of stopped because I ran out of black paint, and you guys will see why. It's just pretty cool. I could have done a lot better on the eyes, which is what I'm not so proud of, but I'm proud of her hair because her hair looks really dope on here. If you just want to get a closer look. Here is the second one. So as you can see here, she has headphones on, as well as a scarf, layering 3 different scarves. And yeah, you can see the hair was in a little bit like pigtails, and I noticed the hair texture on the person that I was drawing was very pointy, if that makes sense. So I hope that kind of came through with the strokes on my brushes. This is them. So originally it was a female that I saw on Pinterest, and I really loved her hair, and I kind of wanted to make her hair bloody and but as you can see, the girl is not here. It is just a entity that was in my head. That's all I really have on my my current sketchbook. But yeah, this is just pretty much the beginning. It's not the most convenient one. I guess it's more just to look good for the look. And of course I was going for bloody teeth and the eyes, but I really didn't to make it bright. I wanted it to be dark, but something cool with green and red looks really good, and that's what I went for it, and it's what I made. That was cool. And this is the back experience. Nothing should make it. The black right there. Also, guys, these beads I had bought at the store called BB's Discount. And yeah, all of this was $4.99. You can probably still see the price on there, but yeah. So far, this is what the necklace is looking like. We have the, of course, pendant here that I handmade with my coloring materials. And I used a UV paint on it, as well as a UV paint sealer on top of it. So the beads, we got a button.